this one. Question 1. Who is the first president of India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer option C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question 2. Who is the first Vice President of India? A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. B. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. D. C. Rajagopalachari. Answer option A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question 3. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer option D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 4. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? A. Mother Teresa. B. Amartya Sen. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. C.V. Raman. Answer option C. Rabindranath Tagore. Question 5. Who is the first Home Minister of India? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. C. Amit Kaur. D. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Answer option A. Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 6. Who is the first President of Indian National Congress? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. W.C. Banerjee. Answer option D. W.C. Banerjee. Question 7. Who is the first Indian pilot? A. J.R.D. Tata. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Answer option A. J.R.D. Tata. Who is the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? A. Mother Teresa. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Kiran Bedi. Answer option B. Indira Gandhi. Question 9. Who is the first Governor General of Free India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. D. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Answer option A. Lord Mountbatten. Question 10. Who is the first woman governor of a state in Free India? A. Annie Besant. B. Razia Sultan. C. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. D. Sarojini Naidu. Answer option D. Sarojini Naidu. Question 11. Who is the first Indian to be Governor General of Free India? A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer option A. C. Rajagopalachari. Question 12. Who is the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Service? A. Sathyendranath Tagore. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. D. Kiran Bedi. Answer option A. Satyendranath Tagore. Question 13. Who is the first woman Prime Minister in India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Anna Chandi. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Pratibha Patel. Answer option C. Indira Gandhi. Question 14. Who is the first woman IPS officer in India? A. Anna Chandi. B. Kiran Bedi. C. Razia Sultan. D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Answer option B. Kiran Bedi. Question 15. Who is the first woman judge in Supreme Court of India? A. M. Fatima Bibi. B. Pratibha Patel. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Answer option A. M. Fatima Bibi. Question 16. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? A. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. B. Mihir Sen. C. Sugama Sen. D. G.V. Maulanga. Answer option C. Sugama Sen. Question 17. Who is the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state? A. Sujata Kripalani. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Razia Sultan. D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Answer option A. Sujata Kripalani. Question 18. Who is the first president of India who died while in office? A. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. B. Dr. Saki Hussain. C. C. Rajgopalachari. D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer option B. Dr. Saki Hussain. Question 19. Who is the first woman judge in India? A. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. B. Anna Chandi. C. M. Fatima Bibi. D. Razia Sultan. Answer option B. Anna Chandi. Question 20. Who is the first woman Olympic medal winner? A. Punita Arora. B. Kanna Malleshwari. C. P.V. Sindhu. D. Mirabai Chanu. Answer option B. Kanna Malleshwari. Question 21. Who is the first Indian to get Jnanapith Award? A. G. Shankar Kurup. B. S.K. Pottekar. C. Uma Shankar Joshi. D. C. Narayana Reddy. Answer option A. G. Shankar Kurup. Question 22. Who is the first woman president of India? A. Annie Besant. B. Pratibha Devi Singh Patel. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Indira Gandhi. Answer option B. Pratibha Devi Singh Patel. Question 23. Who is the first Indian woman to become Miss Universe? A. Susmita Sen. B. Aishwarya Rai. C. Priyanka Chopra. D. Rita Faria. Answer option A. Susmita Sen. Question 24. Who is the first Indian woman to win Booker Prize? A. Meera Sahib. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Arati Saha. D. Sujata Kripalani. Answer option B. Arundhati Roy. Question 25. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice? A. Santosh Yadav. B. Rose Million-Batter. C. Sujeta Kripalani. D. Rita Faria. Answer option A. Santosh Yadav. Thank you all. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.